My dog is sad because one of her favorite toys is missing, so today I will show you how to make a new one. You need to have a thick rope. That's the one I bought yesterday. My rope is synthetic, but it's best to use cotton one for your dog's toy. Insert the end of the rope in an empty toilet paper roll and hold it. Then start wrapping the rope around the roll. You have to wrap the rope at least 10 times. The thicker the rope, the bigger the toy will be. Make sure the long end is coming above the short one. At this point, take scissors and cut the longer end. Now carefully pull out the toilet paper roll and insert the longer end through the loops. Pull both ends slightly, then twist the loops to tighten the knot. That is some kind of sail knot. The knot is called something like a double overhand threading end or a stopper knot. I wanted to learn how to make it, and that's why I'm sharing this idea with you. If you make that toy, I will be happy to see a photo of your dog on my Facebook page. As you can see, the knot is done. Now you have to make 2 knots on each side of the big one. Cut the excess rope, then use a lighter to melt the edges. Of course, you have to skip this step if you're using a cotton rope. And that's the final result. Let's check if my dog will like it. As you can see, she likes it a lot. My dog is chewing the rope, but she doesn't eat anything that's not in her bowl, but just for safety reasons it's best to use a cotton rope. You can cut strips of fabric from old t-shirts, then braid them and make a rope. I may show you this way in a future video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.